Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can download and install Capital One Bank for your mobile device. Now for that, if you are using an Android device, you need to go to your Google Play Store. But if you are using an Apple device, you tap on your Apple Store. Now as I am going to show you on the Android, you need to tap on the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Then once you open your Google Play Store, you tap on search bar and there you type in Capital One Bank and search. Once you've done that, you will see the Capital One UK. You tap upon the. Now here what you need to do is you just need to tap on install and the application will get installed on your phone. I'm going to tap install. Now the installation process will begin. You can see the installation is almost completed and there you can see the application has been fully installed in your mobile device. Now if you go back and check on your home page, you will be able to see the application fully installed on your mobile device. This is how you can easily download and install the Capital One Bank for your mobile device and your Apple device. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.